Have you seen this clip? What you're seeing is no trick. It's a real mountain goat scaling a steep wall, and yes, they do this in the wild. These animals are built for the impossible. Their hooves are specially designed with a hard outer edge and a soft inner pad, giving them incredible grip on narrow, rocky ledges. If you're loving wild facts like this, don't forget to follow for more. But why risk climbing walls at all? Simple. They're after salt and minerals hidden in the stone, crucial for their survival.